Our literacy instruction for our English learners begins in kindergarten because generally students enter kindergarten as beginners. They're given an assessment when they come into kindergarten to measure their English language ability. And we work very hard to provide them with a literacy and language-rich program, really focusing on sentence structure and vocabulary development, and also concepts so that they're able to master the English language.
In my classroom, I have 20 English language learners out of 31 students.
The ESL population in my class is 65% second language learners, and in my classroom, the majority of them are Spanish speaking. And most of them are a lot of beginning level that they have not been introduced to English much before until they come into the kindergarten classroom.
Letters Alive has been a great help with our English language learners because it really provides them with language, with sentence structure, with vocabulary, with background knowledge that they may not have had.
Students that are English learners need more visual aids. They need more repetition with what we're doing.
Letters Alive is so captivating and engaging and so motivating that some of my shyest second language learners that I haven't heard speak much actually speak during that time because they totally forget all their inhibitions and they speak during that time. It's amazing.
It catches their attention. It's authentic. A lot of them don't get to see animals like that. They don't get to go to the zoo. They don't get to go to farms and things, so they get to see that with Letters Alive.
Literacy instruction for an ESL student changes quite a bit. We need to add a lot more practice, a lot more modeling, and a lot more of realia, like showing real pictures of things and interacting with them, being able to use English in the classroom as much as possible.
By giving them the background information, it really helps them connect with their learning.
And this program allows them to be able to see the animal, see what the animal really looks like through the videos, and they almost feel like the animals become their friends. And we need to have a lot of extra opportunities for oral language, and we need to make sure it's a safe environment where they feel comfortable enough to try English for the first time, and that's a biggie.
When we're working with an English learner, we really need to be cognizant of their language ability. So we look at the results of our assessments very closely to see where the student is and how we can help them master the English language in reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
I think the more they're engaged, the more they're going to retain, and so it helps us out as teachers a lot and for them in their learning.